Howdy everyone, this is Grant Vine with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the game room. The game room, this is in building number 2. So it's a pretty cool area. Let's go over here on the left first. This is a very, very big room, just so you know. Super big room. You can see there's tic-tac-toe on the wall. There's dartboard on the wall. Looks like there's maybe the darts and stuff in those bags. There is, looks like Scrabble perhaps there on the wall, or a version of it perhaps, and you've got that. And then you've got also this, so this is greatness. So just love seeing this. And then you've got some tables you could play poker on, really tall ceilings. You've got huge couches to just kind of chill. And then over here, you've got these ping pong table. That's greatness. You've got another pool that's over here. And then look at this. This is actually 2 screens. 2 screens. It's a golf simulation room with 2 screens. Honestly, I've never seen a 2-screen room. I'm so glad they did that because I've literally never seen it. And when you just have 1 screen, I mean, everybody's kind of focused on that. And what does everybody else get to do? So I love it that they have 2, and they need to because, hey, we're right next to the PGA. So it makes sense that they would have this. So really cool seeing this golf simulator, 2 screens. Also, we're going to get to that outside, but there are some putting greens out there too. Great game room, great golf simulator, and great everything in here. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing here, send me a text. Just use the number below.